Welcome to Short Course Diaries, where we're on the hunt for the world's best short course. Oh! Hey! Hey! He's only gone and done what he said he was going to do. Win some, lose some, dim some. Hello and welcome to our latest episode of Short Course Diaries. Today we're at Mission Hills in Hainan and we're playing the Stepping Stones par 3 course. 18 holes, par 3, looks beautiful to be honest. Built on volcanic rock, a bit like the Blackstone, which is their signature course here. But yeah, we're going to check it out. We're going to show you the par 3 course, see what it's like for a quick round, whether you're staying here, whether you're playing with the other ones, you just want to warm up, and we'll show you what it's all about. Right, no warm up, standard. We were rushing for tea time, so anywhere on green I'd be happy with this. Oh, he's fucking clipped one. Have a word. Oh. Too big. Good start. We've gone over back at green. Took an extra club thinking that no warm up in early morning. End up, needed to club up. But that was wrong because I absolutely fucking creamed it. Anyway, one thing here is no buggies. So, yeah, little caddy. Get that. Beautiful. My friend. Right. 58 degree. Get it up there. It's wet. Greens seem a bit slow. Just going to fly it up. Oh, we'll take it. What a start. Yeah. Bless her. I ain't got a stand bag on. I felt terrible. I didn't realise there were no buggies. Right. I'm Sarah. No need. It's okay. Yeah. Just send it up that right hand side. Come on. Start with a par. Ooh, bogey, 1 over. I'm sorry. Not a bad start. We've not lost a ball at least. Every cloud. I didn't check how many balls I've got. I've got about 5, and I know what I'm like. Definitely not enough usually. Anyway, bogey start. Right, hole 2. We've got 150 yards. Got to be straight here, ain't you? Got a 9-iron. Oh my god, I fucking nailed it. Oh. Wow. Really cool. I'm not used to this either. Jesus. Don't know what's going on, but we seem to be hitting it straight. One of them days, typical, it's on a par 3 course. It playing quite nice, but never happens when it's on an 18, does it? Well, we've absolutely stiffed it. Unreal. See if we can knock this in. Right, all we need to do is hit it top edge and trickle in right hand side. Come on, decent pace. Oh, you fucking. That's terrible miss. Hey dear. What a bad putt. Should have gone straight. Oh. Typical. I get it, it's okay. Yeah. Bukasi. That's typical, isn't it? To be honest. I thought it would have turned. Anyway, here's what it is. We take pars, won't we? Give yourself a birdie luck every hole. Take a par. Happy days. That's easy golf, isn't it? Right. 127 it says, but she said 134 tip back. I've got pitching wedge. Because we went big on that first hole. But we're just going to do a nice easy swing again. Looks like it's a 2-tiered green. Tell you what, it's bloody stunning, isn't it? For a par 3. Right, nice and easy. pushed it a bit. Go, 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 go.
Oh, that's on.
It's okay. Ah, yeah. At the bottom, but thank you. Better short than long, I think, on most of these by the looks of things. Look at all this volcano we've got everywhere. I mean, I know they've man-made that into a little, whatever you want to call it, a wall, but still. All that lava. Thousands of years. Well, that don't look like an easy putt, does it? Up that hill. Up the hill. Take a 2-putt now. Jesus.
Go, go,
Go, go, go! Ooh, not the worst. We've got a chance at par at least. Hey dear. Greens are immaculate. A little bit slow, but it's okay. Right, we're gonna go straight for this one. Come on. Oh! Unlucky. Hey, another bogey. Oh. This year. This year. Hole 4. 110. This one? This year. Right. 110 yards. Obviously par 3, stupid. Par 3 course. Hey, dear. 110 yards, pins on the bottom tier. Come on. Cut back. Sit, shot, bunker. Ah! Massive, wrong, shit shot. Bad. Ah, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, that were crap. But it took 4 holes to hit a bad shot, so don't mind that, do we? We've got a bunker. All we need to do a little clip straight over. Ooh! Come on. Right hand side. Nothing too daft. Oh! Can't knock them in today, can we? Hey dear. Oh! Fish ya. 120 yards, pitching wedge. Come on. Catch a bit. Okay, we're on. Shush. Well, at least we're on. But falls off a cliff here, so we definitely don't want to be long because that's all downhill. So I'd rather leave it short, to be honest. Shush. We're uphill and it goes downhill. They've been quite slow. Here we go. Don't overthink it. Go! Go! Not a bad pace.
No.
Hey! Right. 105 yards. 56 degree. Come on. Go! Go!
On.
On. We'll take it on. Right. So we are just walking through the volcanic lava. Anyway, we've gone 3 bogeys, 2 pars. We're on the 6th, so 3 over. I would more than happily take a 4-5 over front 9. No warm up. First time here. Absolutely class. Tell you what, it's in great nick, innit? You know, the greens, the first cut, looks fantastic. If you're here for the weekend, staying in Mission Hills or in Haiku, then, or Haiko, then why don't we pop down, warm up before you round? Or if you're with a family and you've only got, you know, a couple hours in the morning, can't do a full round, have a little swing. Perfect. Taiyang? Taiyang? A little Mandarin lesson here. Better than me Cantonese. No, it's not really. Right. Up that side. Roll it down. Come on. That's not got legs. Go! 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 Oh! Weren't a bad effort, but that's a tricky par putt. Hiya! Ah, shisha.
Okay.
Right, come on, let's knock one of these in. We haven't got one in yet. Let it drop in off top. Hiya!
Yeah.
Hey dear. Ah. Can't knock them in for the life of me. Come on. $56. Come on, Luke. That's a nice swing. Yes.
Oh, life.
Come on. Oh, nice. Give it a chance. Jayo.
Jayo.
Ciao.
Hello.
How long you work here? How many years? Sam, say. How long? Mission Hill. San, 3. 3 years? Oh, nice. Very beautiful.
谢谢。
Holanga. We've got a birdie putt. We need to start knocking these in. Otherwise it's going to start getting away from us, isn't it? Fuck's sake. Send her up.
Go, go,
Go, go, go! Ah, hiya.
Nice par.
Hole 7, about 80 yards, 56 degree. Go! Okay, that'll do. Right, come on, 2 putt. Get it up there. Oh! Can't believe it. Absolutely steamed it. Good job. Hey dear. Hiya. 110. 3/4 swing, pitching wedge, I think. Only 56 would get there. Nice and easy. Come on. Sit. Okay. Right, we're on the 9th hole. 4 bogeys, 4 pars. Can we knock at least a birdie putt in? Come on. Greens are drying up a little bit with that sun. Oh, not bad. Probably best putt day. Anyway, finish with a par. Happy days. 10th hole. 100 yard. 56 degree. Pushed it a bit. Oh yeah, bunker. Gotta be quite cute with it. Gotta get through it. Thank you. Come on. Safe par. Hey! And we're gonna try and send one round. Come on. 120 yard. Bunker. Oh, bunker. Aye, it's all gone to shit. To be honest, this is what you need to do to get your handicap down. 120 yards in is where you, gain them shots. Put it pin high, give yourself a chance for a birdie, all that kind of stuff. So, good practice. As you can see, I'm not very good at it. But it's lovely clipping them in, and when the one's flying up pin high, looks absolutely fantastic in air. Bit of jazz back. Oh, talk to me. We clipped this tree on the left, just the branches, and then it dropped down. Oh, we've missed the bunker. Happy days. Have a word. Look at that. Spot a look. I think there's something like 47 or 53 bunkers on this course. We've only been in 2. We're through 11 holes. Happy days. Just going to knock it up there. Land on edge at green and roll out. Bit much. Ah yeah. Too much. Oh well. Disgusting. You have that ridge. Roll out. Over the ridge. Roll out. Good weight. Go on. Get in. Hey! Hey dear. We finally made a putt. Happy days. Oh, safe par. Scrambling. Right, 120. We're going to stick to no tee. Prefer just getting stuck into it. Pins it back. Right, safe. That looks nice. Go on then. Oh, short. It's okay. That's okay. That's one of them when you clip it in and you just think to yourself, why don't I just hit a full fucking swing instead of a little 3/4 little clip. Anyway, at least we're safe. We're not in shit. We're not in a bunker. Front edge. Might be able to chip it actually. I'm gonna chip 56, yeah. Thank you. Right. Because there's this big hill, I'm gonna give it a little bit of a chip, I think. Although the stance is not great, is it? But I'd rather get it up there. Run it out. Oh my god! Oh! Fucking hell! Have a bit of that! It's okay, I'm sorry. If flag were out, that'd have gone in. Oh well, take your par, walk away. Tisha?
19 cool.
Yeah, I'm going to go under the tree. Right, it's only 92. It's only 92, but we've got these trees overhanging. So I want to try and hit a little bit of a punchy cut with a pitching wedge. So we're going to try and get it up there. Come on. Oh! Oh! Hey dear. He's only gone and done what he said he were going to do. Little punch cut. Have a word. Get a shot trace on that. Looks close from here. There we go. Hit that, we've got a birdie chance. Can we knock one of these in? Right, come on. Knock it in. Put us on fire now. We're all confident in that. Fucking hell, what a prick. Oh well, we'll take a par. Is what it is. You'd take pars all the way around, wouldn't you? Right, 120 again. We're going to stick to the no tee. I like it, it's working well. I might do a little same shot. Like that cut, felt controlled. Go! Go!
Go, go, go. On.
Oh, front edge. Tough putt. Is it? I mean, once again, it's evident we need some putting lessons. For fuck's sake. I'm just shite at putting, aren't I? It's rubbish. But when you not practice it enough, you've got to be on that practice green, aren't you? Practicing, knocking all these putts in different types, get your confidence up. Because that's all it is, isn't it? Putting confidence. And I've got none. That pin position is naughty. Can you see that hill on here? That's ridiculous. This is a tough putt, this. I'll take your 2-putt now and snap your hand off. That hill at last minute. Oh! Oh! Happy days! Thank you! Nice! Says yeah. Well, fuck me. He's back. 120 yards. We're going to stick to no tee. And I'm going to do the same shot shape as last time. Pitching wedge, little cut. Oh, that's nice. Go!
Oh, nice.
Thank you. 好的。
好球。
好球，好球，好 ball， 好球，
好球。
好球。
Go 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 go！
Ooh！
Nice try。
谢谢。给我。Cheese！ 谢谢。Level par at back 9. Who is it? 3 holes to go. 16, 17, 18. Come on. Jail. Guy out. 116. Tiny green, but absolutely stunning little hole. We'll go from here. No tee again. Keep it going. That little cut. Bring it down. Left of the green. Come on. Come back. Hit the hill. Oh! Good shot. Unlucky. Right, this time we're going to take pin out. Hopefully we chip in. Come on. We can do it. We'll chip. Oh! We get an effort. We get a chance. Can we keep the par train going? We're going to aim just the right of the cup. Oh. Ah, bogey. Fucking hell. Oh, it's bad. Really bad. Aim the right of the cup, he says, and then we dolly it and pull it left. It's shocking, isn't it? 17th hole. We've got 120 yards. Beautiful hole. Might be best hole on here, to be honest, so far. Absolutely lovely. Come on, let's get out green. Same again, no tee. Oh, he likes it. Go on then. Do a bit. Oh! Hey! Come on. Can we knock the birdie put in? Hey! Oh, happy days. Level par back 9. 18. One more to go. Come on. 140. 9 iron. Oh, he's clipped one. That's good. Oh, down the hill. Cheers. Another stunning hole. The 18th to finish. 140 yards it were. Little 9 iron, little dinker. 2-tier green again, unfortunately. We've hit the tier and it's rolled slightly down. But 2 putts for a level par back 9. Absolutely buzzing with that. Tough old putt. We pitched here, weren't far off being fucking perfect. About 2 yards more. Probably roll that to pin. We don't want to give it too much of a tonk. We don't want to put back downhill, do we? But when I get it up there, come on. Oh, have a word. We'll take that. Finish with a par. Happy days. Woo. Cheers.
Yeah.
Well, there we have it. We've finished our short course diaries here at Mission Hills High Co. What a fantastic little spot, built amongst the volcanic rock, the lava, a little par 3. Hopefully you've been inspired to get yourself down. Like I said, that took us about, what, an hour and 45 to get round. So if you're on a family holiday, business trip, you ain't got time for a full 18, this is what we're doing the short course diaries for, to find the best one around the world. If you know any more, get in the comments and let us know where we should go next. Just want to say thank you to my caddy Jao. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
See you next time. Remember, win some, lose some, dim some.
number?
不是的。